Some might say that I'm a loner, but I just call it being free. I am my heart's only owner, or at least I used to be. 'Cause now a wildfire is raging deep inside, and my heartstrings are pulling like the tide.
Hi everyone, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. It's pretty here in Georgia, but it's supposed to get up to high temperatures again like we're all experiencing down here in the south. And I know that some of you in different parts of the country are also doing that. And I hope everyone has a great day today. This week has been really busy for us. We've had a lot going on. But I come across this recipe and I thought that I would try to make it today and see how it tastes. It's a fall cake, and so if it tastes good, I'll certainly tell you. So we're going to find out together. Okay, and so the first ingredients that I'm going to be putting in my bowl is going to be brown sugar, oil, sugar, vanilla flavoring, and 2 eggs. So I'm going to dump in my sugar. I'll just put this over here, both of my sugars, and my eggs. This is 2 of them, and this recipe will be in the description below, so you can check out the measurements there. Then I'm going to put in my vanilla flavoring and my cup of oil. And this is my wet ingredients. So I'm going to stir all this up, all of this up. And this is a fairly easy cake, and I bet just about every one of you have these same ingredients in your house, because I did this morning. And I came across this recipe and I said, I'm going to try this. I think this will be a really good fall cake. And like I said, if it's not, I'll let you know. Alright, I'm going to switch over to my mixer. I think it'll do a little bit better than that one. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to lay my mixer over here. And now then I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. I'm going to add in my 2 cups of all-purpose flour, my salt, and my, let's see, it's my baking soda, my baking powder, and salt in here. And my cinnamon. So I'm going to mix all this up together and stir it really good. I can smell that cinnamon. It smells good. so I'm going to dump this in. Set that to the side. Give this a good stir. Okay. Now then I'll mix this up with my spoon. Get all the flour off of the sides of it. This has been an easy enough cake to make. It certainly has all the ingredients that I like. Okay, I think that's stirred up good enough right there. So now then I'm going to put in my apples. This is 1 large apple. And a 1/2 cup of pecans. You can use walnuts if you don't like pecans. If you like them finer than I have mine chopped up, you can also do that. So I'm going to dump them in. Okay. Alright, I think that's stirred up good enough. So now then I'm going to put it in my pan. And I already have this sprayed, and I have some parchment paper on the bottom of mine. So I'll just put this in the pan. If you don't have a square pan like this, you can use a round cake pan. Okay, I'm going to spread this out. Okay, now then I'm going to put this in a 350 degree oven, and I'm going to cook mine for 45 to 50 minutes. But I will be watching my cake to make sure that it's cooking properly, because sometimes my oven has a mind of its own. So y'all know y'all's own oven, but that's what the recipe says. Okay, so I'm going to put my cake now in my preheated oven, and I will see y'all in about 45 minutes. Hi everyone, I'm back, and my cinnamon apple cake has been cooling for about 20 minutes, and I cooked it on about 350 degrees, and mine cooked, it was done in 30 minutes. So each oven, you know, you have to cook it according to your oven. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle some powdered sugar on mine. Okay. So now I'm going to cut this right down the middle. It really does smell good, doesn't it, Kelvin?
It sure does, Marie.
Okay. See if I can get this out now. Okay. The first piece is always the hardest. Okay, so now then I'm going to do the taste test. Those apples are cooked really good. It's got a good taste to it. I really do like it, but I believe I put just a little bit more cinnamon in it. It called for 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. I believe I would put a tablespoon and a half of it in it. But it's real delicious, it's good. And I think this is a really good fall cake. It sort of reminds me of an apple dapple cake. Those are really good too. I really like it. I cooked this cake early today because I didn't want to get so hot in the evening cooking in my kitchen and having my oven on. And I think we did the right thing because it's heating up fast out here. And the cake is really good in it, so I think this is going to be a really easy fall cake to make. And it tastes really good. And y'all let me know how y'all like it if y'all make it. So I'm going to close out this video now. So y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Take me back to the old dirt road where Mama and Papa used to go. Let's sing all them songs from a long time ago and pine for them old days of yore. Well, let me run through the breeze like the leaves on the trees. Let me fly like the leaves when they fall. Well, let my mind go serene like a cool water stream that runs from the mountain so tall.